Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mohammad Ashadullah Al Gali, a passionate 3D artist and animator. Now, currently I am studying multimedia and creative technology at Daffodil International University. Creativity is not just my passion, it's the way where I see the world. I have completed my SSC exam from Greenview High School in 2022 with the GPA of 5.00 out of 5.00. After that, I have completed my HSC exam in 2022 from Shahani Ahmadullah College, Chabanwabganj with the GPA 4.42 out of 5.00. My current CGPA is 3.14 out of 4.00. Over the year, I have explored various creative disciplines, digital art to graphic design and animation, lighting rendering, 3D modeling, and game development. I have worked multiple university projects and independent design, including UI concept for apps, 2D and 3D animation, and runner game. Each and every project helps me to learn design technologies and storytelling can come together to create impact. I love blending art and technology to craft immersive experience that tells stories and inspire people. Over the university life, I have learned several tools and software like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Substance Painter, Adobe Substance Tracer, Resume UV, CapCut, Canva, Figma, Unity, and Apple Studio. I consider myself as a tech enthusiast and a creative professional who love to think creative. I also have participated several exciting events like Pixel to Program, MCT Programming Contest 2024, and Frames of Reality MCT Film Festival in 2025. My goal is to keep exploring creative technologies and pushing the boundaries of design and contribute to projects that make a difference visually and emotionally. So thank you for connecting with me. This is Galib signing out.